Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing how I got this soft glam neutral look. If you're interested, just stay tuned.
Won't you say my name, say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no whip. Body, 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 it ain't no whip. And you acting kinda shady.
So just getting straight into it, I did my brows off camera. As you'll see, I'm coming in barefaced, already primed. I'm starting this look by priming my lids with some concealer. I don't set my concealer, I just put it on and then use the eyeshadow. So as you'll see in this tutorial, I'm using eyeshadow shades that are really close to my skin tone. I don't have the names for these Morphe shadows, but they will be on the screen. I feel like the key to getting a good soft glam look is to use shades that are very neutral and close to your skin. So I decided to bring you guys kind of up close and personal just so you can see what I'm really doing with the eyeshadow and so that you can see it blending a little bit better. Also, excuse my skin in this video. It is really going through it right now and I'm really not even sure why, but bear with me. Here I'm just deepening up the browns in those shadows. So I'm really using a darker brown and this reddish brown. I don't know if you guys can really tell, but I could tell the difference in person. Here I'm just going in with a black shadow. I'm going in very lightly because I don't want it to be harsh. I just wanted to deepen it up a little bit more. It looked nice in the end, and then I went over with a more of an orangey shade just to blend all of those colors together. Now I'm just cleaning up my lid. I know it's gonna look like I'm doing a cut crease, but I blend it all out so it doesn't look like that in the end. I didn't want it to be harsh, I just wanted it to be soft. And then what I did here is use a white shadow, which was a mistake. Like, this is where I knew I messed up because it was falling out everywhere, it was crumbling. Like, if you're gonna do this, if you're my skin tone, use a really good white shade or just go with the tan like I did. Now again, keep in mind, I have used all new products that I am not used to using in here, and I really got my wrong shade in this NYX foundation, but I fixed it in the end. I just had to mix it with my Maybelline Fit Me in the color 360. This is just the wrong undertone for me, but I've already used it now, so I'm just gonna keep mixing it with my right foundation. If you guys want an in-depth eyelash tutorial, let me know. I've gotten really used to it. It really just takes practice to get used to. But once you know how to do it, it's really easy. So here I'm using the same concealer I use for my eyebrows. It's the Hydrating Camo Concealer by e.l.f. It's a little thicker than what I'm used to using, so I didn't let this sit because I wasn't used to it. I'm used to the LA Girl concealer, but I probably would let it sit a little bit longer. It gave me good coverage, but I know it could have been a little bit better. Guys, my blending faces have gotten so much better. If you've watched my other makeup videos, you know my blending faces are horrid. Like, I make the worst faces, but I'm getting better. Like, I'm getting better doing my makeup on camera. If you're enjoying this video so far, please like, comment, and subscribe. Like, if you watch this far, you obviously like what you're seeing. So like, comment, and subscribe for more. Here I'm bronzing my face, and again, I've never used this, but I did like it. It was very red, which I kind of wanted to tone down and end with my normal colors I use to contour or bronze. But this was really cute. I know I look like a clown right now, but once it blends out, it's really cute. So this blush came with the Morphe bronzer that I used. It's literally in the same palette. I think it's called Fantabulous, but it was really nice. It's pretty much the same colors I always use. And then I just spray my face again so I can highlight. This highlight is from e.l.f. It's called Apricot Glow, and it was very yellow, so I like that color in highlights. It's very golden. If you like that too, then you would really like this highlighter. For my lips, I literally always use the same pencil. It's just a drugstore brown pencil. Like, it doesn't even have a name. So, and then I use the NYX lip cream in the color Abu Dhabi. This is, again, it's my second time using it, but I just got a new one. And I love this color. I feel like it's a perfect nude. And then I used the butter gloss in the color Madeleine. And this was really pretty also. I almost forgot to do my inner corner, but I just used this peachy tan shade just to kind of highlight it. So this is the finished look. If you like how this turned out and you like this tutorial, please like, comment, and subscribe for more. If you want to watch some of my other videos, I have more makeup videos, more hair videos. I can do a video on this twist out if you guys want that. It's really easy. I do the same routine every time I do a twist out. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and like, comment, and subscribe.